Hi guys, my name is Jose Bujanda and I'm gonna present my map for Lab 3. Start with the data. The data came from the National Historical Geographic Information System. It's a page online. It's available for everyone to look at, to download. They have a bunch of different data, not only from the United States, but worldwide data. And for the United States particularly, they have census data from the 1800s all the way till 2020. In fact, this data is from the 2020 census, and what you're looking at right now is just counties. It's the map divided by counties, and then the color signify the income of the percentage of people that earn 100,000 or more in a year. One interesting fact that I found from my map is that if you check the metropolitan areas such as Atlanta right here, Miami-Dade County, or Miami, right there. If we go even to Orlando right here, or if we go to California, the West Coast, all the Bay Area, we can see that those are the places where there's a higher percentage of people earning $100,000 or more per year. In fact, if we check this over here, Marin County, we have the 67% of people earn at least $100,000 or more. Similarly, if we go over here to Miami and we check here Miami-Dade County, 78% of people earn $100,000 or more. That was pretty interesting to see. Now, when we focus on our locations and we focus on the histogram that I found, it's super interesting to see that I thought initially that most of our classmates, my classmates, including myself, will be coming for places that at least 50% or more people earn $100,000 or more. However, there's a bunch of people from different backgrounds. There's counties that earn from 0 to 10%. There's 3 people over there, and there's also people that comes from counties where the median income for 80% of the individuals living there is $100,000 or more. That's super interesting to look at. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.